OCC Electronic Company, Limited, founded in 2003. And our assistant company is a professional manufacturer, engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of USB cable, HDMI cable, LAN cable, wall charger, car charger. Adapter and other accessories cable. We are located in Zhuhai and Junction City, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. We have about experienced staff members always available to discuss your requirement and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment including laser cutting machine, improve greatly the quality of products and efficiency. Lane edition, we have obtained BSCI, ISO 9001, HDMI, RoHS and Visa membership. We mainly provide OEM and ODM service, and selling well in all over the world. We have many years of industrial experience with great reputation, doing business with OCC. You can do it with confidence. In the rapidly evolving market, OCC will be together with you and make sure that your product has been designed and engineered by professionals, with the highest quality materials available, to create the value for all customer, is the cause that we seek assiduously.